Active retirement living. Well, it wouldn't be active retirement without a good 5K. Brownwood 5K was this weekend. I didn't do it, but Natalie did. So every year, besides last year obviously, the Villages puts on 3 5Ks, one at each square. Starts at Brownwood, goes to Lake Sumter, and then finishes up in Spanish Springs. Brownwood's typically right before Halloween, and then you have Lake Sumter somewhere around January, February, and Spanish Springs will be Easter time. Anybody can sign up for these runs, so it's open to the public, open to villagers. A lot of clubs join. It's good for the community. Typically brings a lot of people together. There were over 600 people out there, I believe, close to 700. The winner of today's did it in under 17 minutes. I want to say his pace was around 5 minutes and 30 seconds a mile. During the break from the running, I took Alexis to Dunkin' Donuts, but it was so busy. It was market day, so you had the market and you had the 5K going on. Alexis wasn't happy she didn't get her munchkins. She had to wait. How are you?
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Milk and burritos, milk and pizza. There she is. We've been looking for you.
Oh, I got one. Thanks.
How did it go?
I think it was like a 28:36 or something.
We were there when you finished.
Oh, you saw
We're
me?
cheering for you, yeah.
I didn't hear or see anything. Did you see me flying?
Good job, honey.
Oh, thanks.
How do you feel?
I didn't die. I didn't feel like crap.
I'll go to pizza again.
That's good, huh? I think your time was pretty good.
I got 31. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah.
There's 71.
Typically there's a bunch of vendors out there with things. Today I didn't see a whole lot of vendors, and I don't know if that's because COVID's, since COVID they didn't do the races last year, so I'm not sure what they thought the turnout was going to be. I think I said there's somewhere around 700, just a little under. and that was pre-race sign up. So I don't know how many signed up today. Overall, a pretty good race. It's always a well put on event, and yeah, looked good. I can't believe the guy ran 5 30-minute miles. That's crazy. Good for him.